Welcome to our quick guide on how to remove a chat from your favorites list on WhatsApp. If you've been using the favorites feature to keep your most important conversations at your fingertips, you might find yourself needing to declutter or reorganize your list from time to time. Don't worry, we've got you covered with this simple step-by-step process that'll have you managing your favorites like a pro in no time. First things first, let's open up the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Take a moment to make sure you're on the main chat screen. Now, look for the Favorites section at the top of your chat list. This is where all your starred conversations are neatly organized for quick access. Next, we're going to focus on the chat you want to remove from your favorites. Found it? Great. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of just tapping on the chat, we're going to tap and hold it. This action will bring up a menu with various options. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see 3 little dots there, often referred to as the More Options icon. Go ahead and tap on those dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. The option we're looking for is Remove from Favorites. It should be right there in the list. Simply tap on it, and voila! Just like that, the selected chat will be removed from your favorites list. It's still in your regular chat list, of course, but it no longer has that special star status. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a chat from your favorites list on WhatsApp. It's a handy skill to have, especially if you like to keep your app organized and clutter-free. Remember, you can always add chats back to your favorites if you change your mind later. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to keep your WhatsApp updated to ensure you always have access to the latest features and improvements. Happy chatting!